So scientific notation is a standard way to write a number. And you have like a base that you multiply by a power of 10 because power of 10s are easy to work with. Now let's take 30,000. 30,000 in scientific notation is 3 times 10 to the fourth. You could also write that as 3 e to the fourth grams. And I got that by finding the decimal and moving it so that I had a number that was greater than 1 or equal to 1 and less than 10. All right, here's another one. All right, this is going to be 2.97 e to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grams. All right, and this number is a decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 7.98 e to the negative third grams. This is a negative exponent because it's a decimal, it's a very small number. Now you'll notice I'm using e and times 10 interchangeably. That's because they're basically the same thing. All right, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4.0. And I'm going to put the 0 because that means it's a significant digit. Someone has measured e to the negative fifth grams. And this would be 3.07 e to the fifth grams. And that's how you write numbers in scientific notation. To go backwards, 3 times 10 to the 7th would be 3 followed by 7 zeros. 7. And it was 3 times 10 to the negative 7th. That'd be this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. 3. All right.